So my research is in human-robot interaction, engineering education, and robotics education, and open source robotics. Open source robotics means that my hardware and my software and all the materials that we use to make my robots is openly accessible online to anyone who would be interested in making a robot. The reason that I do this is to democratize STEM. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. And we are the least represented in STEM fields: Black people, women, girls, Hispanic, and Latino people. So, by using my robotics in order to bring STEM to the streets, which is the motto of my company, Noir STEMinist, I am able to bring it into the communities of people who need to see these things by making them low cost. By 3D printing the robots, it keeps the cost low. And by providing all the materials, then people who are interested in doing it, if they can get to a library with a printer, if they can get to the materials online, they are able to learn about them. So in this way, I take my robots doing workshops and demonstrations, and I do them at Girl Scouts, Boy Scouts, elementary schools, museums, libraries, universities. So I'm able to take this work and do it wherever the people are. And then they can take this newfound knowledge back into their communities so that we can start to grow the STEM leaders of tomorrow and to make this field look more like the world in which we live. Because what we have found is that in the STEM fields, when we are not represented in those rooms and in those spaces, then that's when biased products and solutions are created. And the people who are the first who would be impacted by that are Black people, are women, or are people of color. So that's why my work on open source robotics is all about democratizing STEM.